Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Anna's vlog. I told you in my previous video that I will be unboxing my hand mixer, and today's video is all about unboxing, guys. So let's unbox this together. So this is it. Can I be your star tonight? Alright guys, I will be unboxing this hand mixer, so just unbox with me. It has a booklet which is an instruction book of how to make use of this hand mixer, and also it also came with a dough hook and beaters also. Some of the instructions should be in the carton. We will get to that later, but this is all about it, and this is me removing it from the nylon. And ta-da! Okay, so there are two beaters there, right there. You can use any one. None of them is indicated as left or right, so I'm just going to fix it inside that hole. There is a way you will fix it. I don't know, the camera is not showing inside that hole well, so you are just going to key it. Yes, that white stuff you're seeing inside, you're going to key the beaters inside it using the mixer unit manually. Make sure you insert beaters or the dough hooks correctly into the correct outlet, and ensure the beaters or dough hooks are securely locked and in position. I will be plugging the hand mixer to know if it's working fine, and it has a number in it, a mixer speed control, which is there is variable 3, which is speed selector. So there is another one which is low speed, which is also called level 1, and the medium speed, which is called level 2, and the high speed, which is level 3. So for high speed, it is recommended not to use more than 1 minute to avoid motor overheating, because the body of the hand mixer can become hot, which is not meant to be. I can see that the beaters are working properly and fine, so I'll be trying the dough hooks now to know if it's also working well. I'm just going to insert it into the hole also. You know, it has how you can key it inside, so that is what I'm doing here. Now let me try it. I'm going to switch on the plug to see if it's working. Then I'm going to put it to like 3. Okay, yes, it is working fine. Oh, it's going to be a beautiful process trying this mixer. I will be switching the ejector speed to 0 to switch it off. I have tested the mixer and it is working properly. Actually, when I bought it, I tested it in the place I bought it before I brought it home. So I'm only testing it now to confirm if yes, it is working fine. So the tool is working fine. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.